Online shopping is convenient and amazing, but there's nothing quite like popping out to your local craft store. The excitement only increases when you know there is money in your pocket and it's time to hit the shop. The moment I arrived at the shop, I walked inside wondering in happy days, grabbed the basket and just went through each section. These are the few stuff which I bought from Manara Bookshop, which is in Khaudh. So it's time to dive into the creativity part. Before I go ahead in this video, I would like to mention that this video was recorded about 6 months back, so I'm really not sure that the same materials will be available at the store or not. Easy Cuts is a cordless manual die cutting machine, and these are metal dies which are used in Easy Cuts to create quality paper shapes. These are foam beads procured from an old soft toy. Please take precautions while using them as it can get really messy if dropped. So here I'm using a small foam ball and coating it with a layer of glue really nicely all over it and then dipping it into the tiny foam balls. I'm using this floral metal die to make layered paper flower. You can also watch another video on my channel, how to use die cut machine, where I have shared all the information regarding it. I will link the video in the description box for an easy access. And this is how we are going to layer the flowers on top of those foam balls. So Manara is another store in Muscat from where I like to buy my craft stuff. The materials are well displayed and they are selling all things stationery, papers, paints, kids craft items, gift wraps and a whole lot more. I love visiting that store. I'm sure you would too. If you're new to this channel or enjoying this video, then subscribe to the channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new videos and updates. So that was a quick tutorial and another store in Muscat, and if you like the idea, do let me know in your comments. See you until next time. Have a great day.